Hi, I'm Red. Welcome to the Scrapyard. A few things to get through today. I got shop card shout out, minor update on a parts pack tee, and some stash ads. So stick around. We'll get into that. First up, shout out to Big Sky Model Works. And I'm worst person in the world with names. I cannot remember a name. Here's his envelope though. Joe. Joe over at Big Sky Model Works. I don't really remember that. But yeah, you need to go check his work out. He's hasn't been doing YouTube long. He can use the subscribers. He does really good work. Um, like I said, all around great guy. Just need to go check him out. Um, let's see. We'll do stash ads next. All right. Turn you around here. All right. I won an auction. Um, this was the main thing in the auction, but it's not what I was bidding on. Uh, this is basically a box full of junk. I mean, I'm pretty sure that whole Mitchell's there, but there's a whole bunch of other crap mixed in with it. But I'm not an airplane modeler, so I probably won't do anything with this. What I was bidding for, though, wasn't what was in this box, is what was in the other box, man. I think I ended up giving $30 all in on it. But there was 32 bottles of Tester's paint with it, plus a bunch of new paint brushes and some liquid cement, brush cleaner, and some glue. But I think I did good on that, man. Because hell, these bottles are all full, man. They're $3 a piece, man. You go buy them, Hobby Lobby. Well, might as well say $3, man. They 285, 265, something like that. But yeah, I was glad to get that, man. I thought that was a deal. Um, and I want a resin. When I bought a resin body off of McCurry, uh, I have no idea. I can't find any information about this thing, where it come from, or who produced it. So if anybody knows anything, let me know. This is a 33 Willis Roadster, but it's it doesn't have a stock front end on it. It's smoothed out. I've checked the 33 Willis interior tub out of the coupe if it's been there, but I think it's got a really nice look to it, man. I cleaned it up already. Spent a little time cleaning it up. Got the flash out of it. Still need to work around the windshield frame just a little bit, but I might leave a little bit left there to hold the glass, put it in from the front. But if anybody knows anything about this thing, let me know. I'm just kind of curious. I looked online and I spent a couple of hours trying to find it, and I couldn't find anything about it anywhere. And so I really would appreciate any info on it. There's that. Got a little work done on the parts pack / scrapyard tee. I like these little boxes. I used to build out of cigar boxes. The cigar boxes are expensive as hell nowadays. You can't find them, man. People want $5 and $10 a piece for them. I shot a little color. It's more of a Junebug green. Could be a little bit darker, but that's going to look pretty good on there, I believe. Especially with this gold engine. This green has gold highlights to it when you look at it. It's nail polish, but yeah, that'll power up pretty good. This is my goal with this kit, with this build, is I want everything in it to have been tooled before 1970, and that's what I've got so far, man. I've just been using the I've got the the parts pack, the Revell parts pack road competition roadster frame. I got my rear end built up. Hadn't installed it. It hadn't built front end yet, but the engine's out of the Anglia Street Rod, which was like 1968, 69, somewhere along in there when that came out. Wheels are parts pack. Um, I was going to use the front runners and the rears off out of the Miss Deal, the Scorpion version of Miss Deal, but the front runners don't fit the rims. They loose as hell. Sit way back in there. So I had to find some different tires. I've got this tire fits, and I got to figure out where I got another one. I'm thinking it might be again out of that Anglia Street Rod or the Thames panel, but there's that. Stick this back in here so it don't get messed up. I think I'm gonna order some more of these boxes. I like the way they stack. Um, haven't got any more done on Old Tom's Competition Coupe yet, but I ran out of glue. I got some ordered. This should be here soon, but I ran out of CA and I was busy ordering something else. I can get my CA at the same time. Well, what I really should have done is just bit the bullet, went to the store and bought some. And of course, I'm working on this thing. I haven't really done anything to it, but it's there. And it's another Model T. But these boxes, man, like I said, you can fit small builds in them just fine. I think I'm gonna order some more of these. These were 97 cents a piece. That's not bad. Anyway, that's about it. You want one of my shop cards? I got plenty. Just drop me a email with your address, and I'll send you one out. Don't have to trade or anything. Just ask for one, and I'll give you one. Let's see, what else we got? Um, I can't think of anything. Well, I guess that's going to be it for tonight. Y'all have a good Thursday, and we'll talk to you later this weekend. Like, subscribe, as always, like, subscribe, share, send a telegram to your buddy, write a SAT essay or something, and we'll see you later. Bye.